Hello, everyone. Welcome to Big Progress Channel, the place where small English steps make big progress. I'm Hana. I'm your English teacher and your learning friend today.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Hana. I'm Lam. I'm learning English. Slowly. Very slowly.
And that is perfect, Lam. If you are listening now and you feel the same, you are in the right place.
Yes. If you feel tired, if you feel English is hard, if you think, I study and study, but I am still bad, maybe this podcast is for you.
Let me ask you a question. Be honest. Do you sometimes think English is too hard for me?
Oh, yes. Many times. Every week. Sometimes every day.
I see. And another question. Do you feel shy when you speak English?
Yes. I feel shy. I feel scared. I feel stupid.
Thank you for saying that. Many people feel the same, but they don't say it. So today, we talk about how you think.
How I think.
Yes, how you think about English, about learning, about yourself.
That sounds big.
It sounds big, yes, but don't worry. The idea is very simple. Very, very simple.
Okay. I like simple.
Good. Today's topic is called mindset.
Mindset. That word is new for me.
That's okay. Let's make it easy. Mindset is just your thoughts and feelings about something.
So, my ideas in my head?
Exactly. Your ideas, your feelings, your inner voice.
Inner voice.
Yes, the voice in your head that talks to you.
Oh, that voice talks a lot.
Yes, my voice talks a lot too.
Sometimes my voice is not very nice.
That is very normal. So let's look at this voice together. Lam, tell me something. Finish this sentence. English is...
English is hard.
Thank you. That is very honest.
Yes, English is hard for me.
And when you think English is hard, how do you feel?
I feel tired. I feel heavy. I feel like I want to stop.
That feeling has a name.
A name.
Yes, we call it the stuck mindset.
Stuck. Like I cannot move.
Exactly. Stuck means you are in one place. You try, but you don't move forward.
Oh, yes. I feel like that. I study, but my English does not move.
That is the stuck mindset talking. It says things like, I am bad at English. I will never learn. I am too old. I am not smart.
Oh, no. Yes, that voice says all of that to me.
And when you hear that voice, what do you want to do?
I want to close my book. I want to stop. I want to sleep.
Exactly. The stuck mindset makes you stop. It takes your energy.
It is like a heavy bag on my back.
That is a very good image. Heavy and dark. But Lam, there's another mindset.
Another one?
Yes, a much better one.
I like better.
We call it the growing mindset.
Growing. Like growing up.
Yes, like a plant. A plant starts small. Every day it grows a little.
I like that picture.
Me too. So listen carefully. The stuck mindset says, I am bad at English.
Yes, that sounds familiar.
The growing mindset says, I am learning English.
I am learning English.
How does that feel?
It feels softer, not so heavy.
Yes, I am bad sounds finished, like the story is over.
Yes, like the end.
But I am learning sounds open, like the story is still going.
Oh, yes. It feels hopeful.
Hopeful. That is a very important word.
Hopeful. I like that.
So the first step is simple. Just see your thoughts.
See my thoughts?
Yes, listen to your inner voice. Is it stuck or is it growing?
I think mine is often stuck.
That's okay. We are not angry at it. We just see it.
Okay. But Hana, how do I change my thoughts?
Ah, that is the big question.
Yes. If my voice says, I am bad, how do I stop it?
I have something for you.
Something.
A magic word.
Magic. I like magic.
It is a very small word, but very powerful.
Okay. Tell me.
The word is yet.
Yet.
Yes, Y-E-T. Yet.
I know that word.
Good. Do you know what it means?
It means not now, but maybe later.
Perfect. It means for now. It means the story is not finished. Let's try it. Say this sentence. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
How does that feel?
Bad. Like stop.
Now add the magic word. I don't understand yet.
I don't understand yet.
How does that feel?
Wow, that feels different.
Tell me more.
It feels like I need more time. Not like I am stupid.
Yes, yet gives you time. It gives you space.
I like this magic word.
Let's try another one. Say, I can't speak English.
I can't speak English.
Add the magic word.
I can't speak English yet.
Perfect.
That feels nicer.
Because now your brain hears, I am learning. I am on the way.
The road is long, but I am walking.
Exactly. You are not finished. You are growing.
Hannah, this is interesting. Just one small word, but big feeling.
Yes, small changes can change a lot.
I feel more calm.
Good. That calm feeling helps you learn.
Before, my head was noisy.
Noise blocks learning.
Now it feels quieter.
That is the growing mindset starting to work.
So my thoughts are very important.
Very important. They're like the weather in your mind.
Weather.
Yes, if it's dark and rainy, you don't want to go outside.
True.
If it's sunny, you feel light, you feel open.
I want sunny thoughts.
Me too.
Hannah, I like this idea, but learning English is still hard.
Yes, of course it is.
Sometimes I study, I forget words, I make mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
And when I make mistakes, I feel bad again.
That is very honest. Let me ask you something.
Okay.
When you make a mistake, what do you say to yourself?
I say, why am I so bad? Why can't I remember?
That sounds painful.
Yes, it hurts a little.
And that pain makes learning slow.
Yes, I feel smaller.
What if I tell you something strange?
Strange.
What if mistakes are not bad?
Not bad?
What if mistakes are good?
Hannah, that sounds crazy.
Many people think that.
Mistakes are embarrassing.
Yes, but let's look at them closely.
Okay, I'm listening.
Think about a baby.
A baby?
Yes, a small baby learning to walk.
Oh, okay.
Does the baby walk well?
No, the baby falls.
All the time?
All the time.
When the baby falls, what do people say?
They say, good job. Try again.
Do they say, you are stupid, stop walking?
No, never.
Why not?
Because the baby is learning.
Exactly. Falling is part of learning.
Oh,
So when you make a mistake in English, what are you doing?
I am learning?
Yes, you are learning.
So mistakes are like falling?
Yes, they show you are trying.
That is a new way to see it.
A mistake is not a problem. A mistake is information.
Information.
Yes, your brain says, oh, this is not right. Let's try again.
Like the baby.
Exactly like the baby.
Wow. Hannah, I feel better now, but English still feels very big.
Big how?
Like a mountain, a very tall mountain.
Ah, yes, that feeling.
I look at the top and I feel tired.
That happens to many learners.
I think I must learn everything. Grammar, words, speaking, listening.
That is too heavy.
Yes, my legs feel weak.
So maybe we're looking in the wrong place.
The wrong place.
Yes, maybe we should not look at the top of the mountain.
But that's the goal.
True, but the top is far.
Very far.
What if we look somewhere else?
Where?
At your feet.
My feet?
Yes, just your next step.
One step?
One small step.
Not the whole mountain?
Not today. Don't say, I must learn all English.
That is impossible.
Yes, instead say, today I learned 2 new words.
2 words?
Just 2.
I can do that.
Good, that is progress.
Small progress?
Small progress is real progress.
Hana, this makes sense.
Good, because we are not trying to be perfect today.
We are just starting?
Yes, we are starting. We are moving.
I feel like I can breathe.
That feeling is important.
Hana, this conversation is changing how I think.
I'm very happy to hear that.
I want to try this way, the growing way.
That is wonderful, Lam. But I still have questions.
Of course you do. Like how to deal with mistakes every day and how to keep going.
Yes, those are very good questions.
Because tomorrow I may forget this feeling.
That's true. Tomorrow comes fast.
So what can I do next?
Well, there is one more idea. A very simple idea.
Another one?
Yes, and it uses a small story.
A story?
Yes, a story about work and time and one small brick.
One brick?
Yes, just one brick. Yes, just one brick. Not a wall, not a big house, just one brick.
I'm listening.
There was a man, a normal man. He wanted to build a long, beautiful wall.
A wall.
Yes, a very long wall.
Okay.
One day, he looked at the empty land. No wall, nothing.
That sounds sad.
He thought, this is too big. I can never do this.
That sounds like me in English.
Yes, that is the same feeling. Big goal, small energy.
Yes, exactly.
The man felt tired. He felt sad. He wanted to stop.
Stuck mindset.
Yes, very stuck.
Then what happened?
His old friend came to see him.
A wise friend?
Very wise, with white hair and calm eyes.
I like wise friends.
The man said, I want to build a wall, but I can't.
And the friend said,
The friend said, you are right. You cannot build a wall.
oh no, that is not helpful.
The man felt angry.
I understand him.
But then the friend said, don't build a wall,
Then what?
just lay one brick.
One brick?
Yes, your job today is not a wall. Your job today is one brick. Lay one brick. Lay it well. That's all.
That feels easier.
The man tried. He laid one brick, slowly, carefully.
And
The brick was good. Very good.
he felt proud.
Yes, a little proud, a little happy.
And the next day?
The next day, he laid one more brick.
Just one?
Just one. Not 2, not 10.
Wow.
Day by day, brick by brick.
And after many days?
After many days, there was a wall.
A real wall?
A long, beautiful wall.
He did it.
Yes, but he never built a wall in one day.
He just laid bricks.
Exactly.
Hana, this story feels very close to English.
Because it is the same.
So, my 2 new words today:
That is one brick.
listening to one English song,
That is one brick.
watching one Big Progress podcast.
A very good brick.
I like this idea. It feels kind.
Yes, it is kind to yourself.
Before, I was very strict.
Many learners are.
I must study more. I must be fast.
And that makes learning heavy
Now it feels lighter.
because you are walking, not running.
Walking is okay.
Walking is perfect. Okay, Lam, let's stop for a moment.
Okay,
Let's look back at what we learned today.
good idea.
First idea, stuck mindset or growing mindset?
I am bad is stuck. I'm learning is growing.
Perfect. Second idea, the magic word yet.
Yes, I can't speak English yet.
That word gives hope. Third idea, mistakes.
Mistakes are not enemies. They are friends.
Like a baby learning to walk.
Falling is learning.
And the last idea,
One brick.
small steps every day.
Not a wall, just one brick.
That is the growing mindset. If you feel lighter now, if you feel calmer, then this podcast did its job.
And if you like learning English this way,
Please support us
you can like this episode.
and subscribe to Big Progress Channel.
We make English slow, simple, and friendly.
And we would love to hear from you.
In the comments, tell us
What is your one brick today?
one word, one song, one short sentence.
Every brick matters.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for your time and your heart.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep growing.